Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandito po tayo sa Mall of Al-Noor kung saan katatapos lang po yung sinagawang inter-school debate competition. And now, ating pong makakapanayam ang isa sa best debater and champion debater. Ito ay sa katauhan ni Miss Fatma Darwiza Tumindig Mansul. Ma'am, no? Ano po yung natutunan yung mga aral sa isinagawa pong debate ngayong araw?
Marami po akong natutunan na aral mula sa isinagawang debate po umaga. Pinang umaga po, I spent the whole morning with Empowered Bangsamoro children and Empowered Bangsamoro youth. This is a proof that yung kabataan ngayon, they're empowered to be heard in rooms and tables where decision-making is present. Napaka-importante po yung mga natutunan ko ngayon kung saan sa iba't ibang aspekto ng mga issue na pinakaharap ng ating region. Natutunan ko at nabigyan kaalaman po ako sa mga needed information kung saan mas maging empowered pa po ito sa akin na to do more in my community, in my region po.
Okay, ma'am. Second question. Ano po ang inyong reaction na kayo po ay naging best debater and as well as naging champion din po?
I feel really passionate at the same time before the debate, and of course right now I feel really overwhelmed and of course really happy because 3 weeks ago consistently we have spent those 3 weeks preparing for Barkada Contra Droga Daxi Week, and right after that long tiring week I have prepared and was invited in Bangsamoro Children's Congress, and 4 days just after that it's already the debate, and short time for preparation, but then still with God's plan and God's guidance, I'm here with my team, Monina Bernat and Khalil Araqibra now, and of course our very supportive coach, Ma'am Annalisa Pajaro, and I feel really overwhelmed with this parangalan that's being shouldered to me.
Okay, ma'am. So, ano po yung mga plano niyo sa kung meron pagsusunod na debate competition?
As a graduating grade 12 student of STEM of Notre Dame Village National High School, I am motivated to mold my fellow students into becoming a successful individual who could be joining in this kind of activities where their voices and insights are being heard in rooms or tables where decision making is present. So of course, as a graduating ate nila, I am empowered to coach them and to guide them into becoming one of us.
Okay, so my final question, ano po ang inyong gagawin sa inyong tagumpay upang mainganyo ang ating mga kabataan?
Of course, I would remain on my grounds, remain humble, because I believe that should always give room for improvement. And then, of course, I will use this not to brag, but of course to empower my fellow Bangsamoro, fellow kabataan, to voice out and to stand up for their voices.
Okay, final question. Differentiate the best speaker and best debater.
Best speaker po, ito po yung, and best speaker and best debater for me are definitely not the same and not different at all. But of course, these are two individuals who are empowered to be heard and to create empowered changes in their communities and their region most specifically. So with this po, best speakers are individuals who have encouraged successfully the individuals here to side with their arguments, and best debater naman po, same as best speaker, she also shows that their point is good and should stand out in all of their arguments.
So there are 2 winners, best debater and best speaker. Pero yung best speaker natin ngayon ay umuwi na siya, so baka meron kang
sa kanya, so proud of you.
ma'am, baka mayroon ka pong gustong pasalamatan.
Of course, I would really want to thank my fellow debater, Nina Bernal and Pauline Bernal, for guiding me throughout this competition. Of course, my very supportive BKD advisor and my coach in debate, Ma'am Annalisa Paharan. Thank you so much. My school, Notre Dame Village National High School, maraming salamat po sa overall support niyo po sa amin. And of course, I will never forget my Barkada Contra Droga family for overall support. And of course, my ina and ama, my sisters and brothers, my titas and tito. Thank you so much po. Thank you guys.
Okay, maraming salamat, Miss. Tumindig Mansol. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Salamat.